Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. This is a preparatory course.
The English alphabet,
Days of the week,
months of the year,
seasons of the year.
and the last point is numbers, the cardinal and the ordinal numbers. These are the cardinal numbers. And these are the ordinal numbers. Today we are going to talk about the job and the occupation of the plumber. This is the latest statistics on COVID-19 taken from the World Health Organization in Africa, of course. This is a series of questions about driving. It's for you.
Do you know how to drive? If yes, when did you learn?
Do you think driving is fun? Why? Why not?
Are women better drivers than men? Why? Why not?
Do you always use a seat belt? Why? Why not?
When were cars first invented?
How was the world different before cars were invented?
Compare driving to work or school and taking a bus.
What is your favorite kind of car? Describe it.
Compare cars and motorcycles.
Are you going to drive a car after class? Why? Why not?
Is it better to be a driver or a passenger? Why?
Compare driving and walking.
What are 3 good things about driving a car?
What are 3 bad things about driving a car?
I hope that this video is beneficial.
I hope so.
Goodbye.